Well, Farawan bhí Harva fecalach sa baca gunna line inniu na Devin toner agus tá session inniu nach le Reggie Corrigan.
Devin, you and I both know these games are one of the tight five. So is that where it was today?
It goes a long way to seeing who wins the game, I think. But I think last week we had to take a good hard look at ourselves. I think we lost a lot of lineouts. Our accuracy wasn't great, so we had a big focus going in today, just kind of getting our drills right, getting our accuracy right in lineout time. We tried to drive against them a fair bit, and we milked a few penalties out of it. So overall, we're pretty happy with how the tight five went. Yeah.
You've been involved in these derbies for many years now. During the week, was it important to get the message across to the younger players of what a big deal this is?
I don't think you really need to tell them, to be honest, because I think it's just there's a feeling around the place how big the game is. All the young lads in here have grown up in the academy, grown up watching all the big games. And everyone knows when you come to Aviva, it's going to be a brilliant day out. There's 46,000 people cheering you on, and they know the Leinster Munster game is the best, one of the biggest of the year. So I don't think you need to tell them what it is, because they can just feel it, to be honest. Yeah.
Well done, Devin. Great result.
Thanks, Reggie.